Hey everybody, it's Neil. Sorry, I'm a little sick and I've been sleeping in here, so too bad. But in the office because I'm sick. But I got the Insta360. Check this out. So it's a whole kit. So it comes in this box, and in the box comes with I don't know what this is. Probably some sort of paper or packing thing. Oh, my order ID information. Actually, yeah, that's my order ID. Please protect your camera. I guess it wants you to get a protection. It comes with a little cleaning cloth. Some EVO gimbals. I guess that's the store that I got it from. I don't know. SanDisk comes with what's that? 128 gigabyte little SD card, and it comes with the Insta360 X3. So let's check this thing out and see how it works. Um, let's see. Let's open this up. If I can figure out where to open it, it's going to open on the bottom here. Do I have anything to open it with? No. Okay, there we go. Okay, so let's check this out. See, I'll open up all the other things too, so you can see everything. But let's see, the box is very nice. It's got that like rubbery kind of feel. And there it is, folks. This is it. This is it's got some weight to it. Wow. So this will give me 360 videos and stuff. So let's see. Then what's in, everything's so tight in this box. Okay, there's that. Anything under here? No. Okay, so that's it. So we have this, and the box is empty, and we have this box. So let's see what's in this little box. Comes with I guess a charging cable. It's USB to USB-C, and then just some silica gel. That's what I'm just trying to put there. So I guess that's how we're going to charge this thing. Is this some sort of case maybe? Little neoprene case. I guess that's what I will stick this into when we're not using it. It's a very tight fit, but that fits in there pretty good. That's kind of nice. A little neoprene case. And let's see what else. What's that? Oh, another little cleaning cloth. We got two. We have one from the other store and that. Got some stickers. Like the Apple always comes with stickers. These guys give you stickers too. And then some manuals. So I don't know. Let's just give this thing a try and see what it looks like. Now that let's see what else we got in here. So that was that. So we have the SD card. So let's open this SD card up. Let's see how this is. Okay, so this one's SanDisk Extreme 128 gig. I mean, my eyes are fine. I just can't see this thing. Okay, there we go. So there's the little chip. Got it out of here. And that's what it looks like. So it is a A2 whatever chip. Okay. And then let's get this thing back out of here. It's nice. The case says Insta360 on it too. Oh, and there was this little selfie stick, the invisible selfie stick. So I guess in post-processing, it's going to take out the stick. And so this is the selfie stick. Let's see, how's this go? And that's what this looks like. So I guess it'll screw on there. Does it extend? Oh, it extends too, so I can make it nice and long. So that'll be my selfie stick. Pretty cool. Pretty cool. I'm going to take this off for right now. We don't need it at the moment. And then let's see those stickers on the sides and stuff. So this one here. Take this one off, and this is where the battery is going to be. Just stick the sticker there. And this one here. I guess, I'm not sure what that port is. I guess we'll find out in a minute. Then we have the power. Oh, got these stickers over the little lenses. Boy, can we open this up? Lots of little stickers. I need tweezers to get this off. Holy mackerel. There we go. There's one side. And the other side. And then the battery, I think, comes like you go like that to click it and it comes out. So that's how the battery works. Just so you know. And then, oh, there's a cover over the screen. I think that's it for the stickers. Let's see, what was this switch? Oh, that's where the port is for charging and stuff, right there. These I don't know how to open. I guess I don't need to for now. But let's see, I'll turn it on. I guess when I turn it on, the blue goes on. I hear the noise, and there's the screen for the first time. Let's see what we got here. Let's see, English is probably a good one. Please download the Insta360 in the App Store to activate your camera. So let's see. I'm going to go do this on my iPad, which is over here. And let me go into INST Insta360. So here's, I'm going to load up the app. We'll give this thing a try and see what happens. Okay, I agree. Do you have an Insta360 camera? Yes, I do. The following permissions. I want to allow the network, Bluetooth, album access. I'm going to allow it full access to all my pictures, local network, and let it give me notifications as well. So there we go. So now we have to connect. Oh, it wants to connect. It says discover new device, and it found mine. So I'll hit connect. And I guess it's connecting to Bluetooth. Connect to app. I'm going to say yes. And there we see the screen already. Very cool. Let's see what happens here. Oh, I wonder where the SD card goes in. I don't think I put that in. So I guess we'll have to figure that out here in a minute. Okay, complete. No clips available. Okay. Let's see, it's connecting. I don't know. I just hit the middle button to see if it does it. I thought maybe I could get a live view, but maybe not. Oh, there's me and you. Very cool. Okay, want to join the network? Yes, join. So it says it's connecting to Wi-Fi, so I think it's trying to connect to the camera now. Activation. Activated. Done. Well, I guess that's it. I guess you don't really see a live view of it. So we're going to have to read some instructions and see how this works, but let's see if we can. It looks like the battery is a little low, and it says there's no SD card. So left, well, so we can take videos, HDR, active HDR. That's kind of cool. I like HDR. And there we go. So, so we can change the different lighting effects, but I would just keep it on auto all the time. Oh, and then those are all the different settings. So no SD card. So let's go see how we can put in an SD card. Let's see, how am I going to set this up so you guys can see it. Let's aim down a little bit, and I'll put it right here. So let's look at some of these instructions and figure out how to put the SD card in. This is safety guidelines? Probably not the right one. Here's some pictures here for how to do stuff. So Insta360 X3. So here we go. So these are going to be the instructions here. So it looks like the SD card goes in the side over there. Where's that? Oh, next to the battery, maybe? Let's try it here. I don't even know. Maybe I need to turn it off. Let's see. Oh, yeah, that's where it would go, right? You can see right there. So let's try to put that SD card in. There, and it kind of clipped it in and snapped in, so that's kind of cool. Now let's put the battery back, and we'll turn it back on again. So we have the battery in, and then over here, it's just telling you to charge. You can charge it on that port, the power, and what is that button there? The Q. I don't know what Q button means. Slide down to access settings. Oh, so it's got all sorts of different settings, different lighting modes, microphone modes. Very cool. Headphones, AirPods. Oh wow, you can connect up your AirPods. That's very cool. Okay, let's go back to the view. I guess this one here is going to bring us back to the view mode. And then I want to record. So how do I record? Long press to enter panoramic view. Let's get familiar with the button operation. Okay, so that's the shutter button to take a photo or video. That's what I thought it was. And then this button switches the lens. Ah. And then that button to enter the quick menu. So there we go. So now if I want to push this, I'm going to record. Start recording. So now I am recording. So there we go. We can, oh, I don't know if you guys can see right there. It's got 4, 3. So now I should be doing a panoramic. We'll see when we look at it here in a second. Multi-view. Oh, wow, look at that. So you can see the whole thing with the multi-viewer. That's pretty cool. It's got good stabilization, so if I'm bouncing, it's not even bouncing. So let's see. Okay, so now let's stop. That looks like it flashes when it's going. Stop recording. Yep, and then it goes back to that. Very cool. Oh, and then it's got different modes, you can say. So that's cool. I'm going to have to set all this up for my different settings. Sorry if you guys can't see. But let's go and see what that looks like now. So let's try to connect this back up to my device again and see if I can download the video. Join. So hopefully there'll be a video there now. And today, Tuesday. So there's my video. And look, I got a 360 view. That was my first 360. Ooh, look at that, upside down and all around. It's my first 360 video. So how cool is that? So I'm going to just stop the video here because we've been about 12 minutes, but we got our first video. We got it connected. We got it going. I'm going to charge this thing up and do some more testing on it and stuff like that. But I'm going to say thumbs up for me. Like this video, subscribe to my channel. Links in the description. Thanks. Bye.